In the heart of Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province lies the Swat Valley, known for its stunning landscape and vibrant culture, but behind its beauty, Swat has also been the backdrop of a powerful story of courage and resilience.
The terrorists tried to stop us and attacked me and my friends who are here today on our school bus.
Born on July 12, 1997, in the town of Megora, Malala Yousafzai grew up with a passion for learning, encouraged by her father, an educator and activist. Malala's early years were filled with the joy of books and the pursuit of knowledge. In a region where many girls were denied an education, Malala stood out as a beacon of hope.
But in 2007, the rise of the Taliban in Swat Valley brought fear and oppression. Schools were destroyed and girls were forbidden from attending classes. But a young girl, Malala, refused to be silenced. At just 11-year-old, Malala began writing a blog for BBC Urdu under the name Gul Makai. Her words resonated far beyond Swat, drawing international attention to the plight of her people.
On October 9, 2012, the Taliban's threats became an horrifying reality. Malala was shot in the head by a gunman while riding the school bus. The world held its breath, fearing the loss of this brave voice for education.
Targeted just because of our determination to go to school and learn.
In the name of God, the most merciful, the most beneficent, Your Majesties, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee, dear sisters and brothers, today is a day of great happiness for me. I'm humbled that the Nobel Committee has selected me for this precious award. Thank you to everyone for your continued support and love. Thank you for the letters and cards that I still receive from all around the world. Your kind and encouraging words strengthens and inspires me. I would like to thank my parents for their unconditional love. Thank you to my father for not clipping my wings and for letting me fly. Thank you to my mother for inspiring me to be patient and to always speak the truth, which we strongly believe is the true message of Islam. And also, thank you to all my wonderful teachers who inspired me to believe in myself and be brave. I'm proud, well, in fact, I'm very proud to be the first Pashtun, the first Pakistani, and the youngest person to receive this award. Along with that, I'm pretty certain that I'm also the first recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize who still fights with her younger brothers. I want there to be peace everywhere, but my brothers and I are still working on that. Dear brothers and sisters, I was named after the inspirational Malala of Maiwand, who is the Pashtun Joan of Arc. The word Malala means grief-stricken, sad. But in order to lend some happiness to it, my grandfather would always call me Malala, the happiest girl in the world. And today, I'm very happy.
Hello everyone. This week we are marking a dark anniversary. It has been more than 1000 days since the Taliban banned girls in Afghanistan from going to school. Millions of Afghan women and girls are living under a system of gender apartheid, which is systematic oppression. They cannot go to school, work, or be part of public life. Against all odds, Afghan girls and women are fighting back, learning in secret and refusing to let the Taliban deny them their rights.
بہت کچھ چینج ہوا ہے. میں نے دیکھا ہے کہ اور والدین جو ہے ہمارے بڑے جو ہے وہ بچوں کی تعلیم میں انٹرسٹ لے رہے ہیں, وہ اپنے بچوں کو اسکول بھیج رہے ہیں. اس کے علاوہ پاکستان میں لوگ جو ہے عورتوں کی میں جب ہم عورتوں کو امپاور کرتے ہیں تو ان کو یا تعلیم دیتے ہیں یا ان کو اپرچونیٹیز دیتے ہیں, اس کے فائدے کو دیکھتے ہیں کہ کس طرح یہ پورے ملک کو فائدہ دیتا ہے, کیونکہ دس ہاف آف دا پاپولیشن. اگر ہم آدھی آبادی کو پیچھے چھوڑیں گے تو ملک کیسے آگے جائے گا؟ تو عورتوں کا ہماری اکانومی میں انوالو ہونا بہت زیادہ ضروری ہے, اور وی سی دیٹ ان پاکستان. اور ریسنٹلی پی ایس ایل بھی ہوا, فارن پلیئرز آئے, بہت اچھا گزرا, اور بھی بہت زیادہ چیزیں ہو رہی ہے. تو آئی ایم ہیپی ٹو سی دیٹ امن ہے پاکستان میں اب, اور ہم ترقی دیکھ رہے ہیں. تو پشاور زلمی کو سپورٹ کیا, فائنل تک پہنچ گئے, پھر بار میں, لیکن اسلام آباد نے بہت اچھا کھیلا. سو آئی تھنک دے ڈیزروڈ اٹ. تو
Malala Yousafzai, a symbol of hope, a voice for the voiceless and the relentless champion for change. This is the story of Malala Yousafzai.